Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Frost Kong. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Frost Kong, let's begin with the face. Now I want to start up towards the top of my paper and I'm going to begin with the eyes. So let's start by just making a little line that's just going to go down and it's going to curve up and down like this, kind of like a wavy check mark. Next, we're going to do the same thing, leave a little space, and we're going to make that exact same shape. Starting here, we're going to make a little circle shape like this. Then we'll do the same thing here, just to make that little circle shape for the actual eyes. Up here, let's make a line that's going to come up and down, and we'll do the same thing here. Let's just come up and down for like the top of the eyebrows. Then let's just curve a line across to connect it. Now let's start with the nose. Beginning here, let's make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around, kind of like a hook. And we'll do the same thing here, just kind of curve this around like a hook. Or kind of two little candy canes. Next, we're going to bring this line up and down for the top of the nose, and same thing here. Bring this up, go in at an angle, and then come down. Then let's bring a line up here and a line up here for a little detail on the nose. Next, let's draw a line that's going to curve down here, and then a line that's going to curve down here for the sides of the mouth. Then for the top of the mouth, let's make a line that's going to curve up and down, and then up and down here. And I made this part a little higher than this part. Next, we're going to just draw a line that's just going to come across like this. We'll make a little triangle shape here, and then a triangle shape here for some teeth. Then let's make a couple bumps for some teeth here. And then a couple bumps for some teeth here. Next, we're going to connect this line here and bring this line to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then in. And same thing here, we're going to bring this line down and in. Then we're going to connect this over to here and connect this to here. Next we'll draw a line that's just going to come over and then up here. Now for a little detail on the face, let's make a little line underneath each eye. And then let's make a little curve here. Now, right next to the face, let's make a line on each side. And let's make the ears. Let's curve a line that's going to come out and down. And same thing here, out and then down. Then let's put a little curve inside each one for some detail. Now, let's make the top of the head. I'm going to start here by making a little point that's just going to come up and down for like some fur. Then I'm going to make some more little points that come down here. And some more fur that's going to come down here. Next, down here, I'm going to just make these little points. And I'm going to make this come down into like a beard, kind of like how Kong has that beard. And we're going to bring this up. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple points that come out on each side for the shoulders. And then right here, we're going to work on the chest. So let's begin by curving a line that's going to come down and then over. And then same thing here, we just curve this down, and then we're just going to bring it in. Next, we're going to go down and in, down and in, down and in, down and in. Then we're going to make some little kind of points across here to make it look furry. Next, I'm going to make some points across here for the sides of the body, just to kind of shape it out a little bit. Next, I want to work on the legs. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make some little pointed lines that go out and then down. And then same thing here. We're going to bring these out and then just bring them down. I'm going to make some little points right across here and some more little points right across here. I'm going to make some lines that come up here. And some more lines up there. Then we're just going to make a little line right across. Now for the toes, I'm going to start here and I'm just going to curve down and then up. Make another one down and then up. Down and up. And then we'll go down and over to here. Let's do that same thing over here. We're going to start right about here. Just kind of go down with a curve and bring it up. Let's do one here. One right here. And then I like to start right at the fur and make that fourth one. Next, we're going to curve this over and up. Over and up. Little line, little line. Next, let's curl this around and up for that last toe. Curl this around and then up. Now let's put some toenails on there. We're just going to kind of make a little bit of like a squared shape on each one for the toenail. And we can even do one here. So just kind of make those little square shapes for the toenails. And then do one right here for that toe. Now let's work on the arms. So let's start with this arm over here. I'm going to begin by making kind of a pointed, curvy line that comes down to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line all the way to here. Let's draw a line that's going to come down and then over to here. And then let's draw two curved lines on here to kind of make that mechanical arm. Next, let's come over, down, over, and then up for another little detail. Then let's go down at an angle. We're going to go over and then back in. We're going to bring this line over, up, and over. Over, up, and over. Next, we're going to bring this line down, over, then we're going to bring this up, and then connect to here. Let's put a little pointed line there for some fur. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line over, down, bring it over, and up. Then we'll make a little line that connects there. Next, let's bring this line down and over, down and over, down and over, and then one more here, down and over. Next, starting here, I'm going to connect each one of these little lines, and we'll do one more here. Next, we're going to bring this line around for kind of like a finger, And we'll add a couple little curves here. Then we're going to curve this line up, and we're going to curve this line over. We'll make a little line in here. Now let's work over here on this arm. So to start over here, we're going to do kind of that same thing. We're just going to make kind of like a pointed curved line down. Then we're going to make another line that comes down like this. And one more to here. Now, starting here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little bit of like a zigzag line here. And we're going to make it out here. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line around. Make a little line here. Then we're going to curve this line around and up, over, up, over, up, over, and up. Now we got our basic shape of our frost Kong. Let's just come in here and add a few little fun details. So, starting up here on the eye, let's add some little lines right around the eyes, like this. Then we're going to add a couple little wrinkles by the head. And then a few little lines by the nose. We'll kind of curve some of these lines in. And we'll put a little broken line right by his mouth. I'm going to add some long pointed lines right across here to make it look like he's got a scar across his chest. And then a couple little broken lines on here. Let's make some extra little long lines right on here for some detail. And then a few little long lines coming down here. And even a couple coming up here as well, just to give that hair a little bit of texture. We're going to add some extra little lines right across here. And a few more going right along here. We'll add some little wrinkle lines right by the toes. And we're going to put some wrinkle lines right on the fingers too. And a few little lines for some hair. Now over here on this kind of like beast glove that we have, we're just going to draw a couple lines here. And then a few little extra lines here. Do a little line here. And a little line across here. We can make some little lines coming down for some detail. And some little lines like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a frost Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.